This is the front end of our website. First, user can create an account. He need to choose whether he is a manager or a technician at the company. Accordingly, the website design will vary. For example, I will enter my name, enter my email, enter a password. Here below, you can see that we check password for various things so that it's encrypted or not, more secure or not. Once all these conditions are fulfilled, you can create an account. Also, now you just need to log in. Once you log in, here we have logged in as a technician. We have a dashboard in which total equipment, active request, pending tasks completed today is being shown. We have an equipment page in which various equipments are listed. We can sort it out. We can search various equipment out of this. We have a maintenance page in which various maintenance have been listed. Especially, we have implemented a calendar option in which we show the technician that on a particular date he need to do the maintenance of which machine. For example, on 15th, this particular technician have two machines to do the maintenance of. On 16th, we have these ones. Also other for particular dates. This is for the technician. Now, suppose if you are not a technician, you need to log in as a manager. Then you got the more options. You got a team option in which you can see your team. You can see your team members, their active things, their completed things, their details and all. You also get a settings option in which there are various other options that you can implement. You can see the notifications, your newly assigned tasks, schedule maintenance and all, unread notifications. Thank you. Talking about the security of the website, yes, we believe that the data we process must be secured. So we have also implemented security. We have used JWT tokens and bcrypt for it. For hashing passwords, we use this module which help us to hash the password and store them. And also for the user checking, we use JWT tokens which help us to determine whether a particular user is logged in or not, whether he is a technician or whether he is a manager. In this section, we will purely focus on backend. So our backend has been made on Node.js and Express.js. This is our app.js file. We have implemented everything in an MVC framework. Talking about our routes, we have authentication route, we have equipment route, we have request route, and we have view route. For every route, we have implemented controllers. The auth controllers have various REST APIs in them. We have a sign up API, we have a login API, and also about equipment, we have create equipment API, we have get all equipment, and about request controller, we have get preventive calendar, we have assign technician, we have update request status, get all requests, and create request. Talking about our database design, we have a very strong database design. You can see that we have a user table, we have a teams table, we have team members, we have departments, we have equipments, we have request categories, we have request status, and maintenance record. Request status history, maintenance logs, request category, request status. All these databases have been created and tables are being created in them, department table, equipment table, and much more. We are also implementing machine learning for the preventive maintenance of the machines of a particular company. As you can see, we have implemented a temporal fusion transformer model which help us to predict the failure risk. Also, it help us to predict the maintenance cost, and also it help us to predict the technician workload and the predict calendar. This model have a direct access to our SQL database from which the data is being collected and answers are being returned. For example, if you want to know the technician workload, let's just try it out. We provide the equipment ID and the technician ID. And here we get the technician workload. Also, we have implemented other routes in this.